If you're a fellow RVer, then you already know that keeping a solid internet connection on the go can be a real battle. I mean, between getting work done on the road or uploading, backing up photos that I take on trips, or maybe I just want to unwind and stream a movie after a long day's hike, right? In order to do that, I need something that actually works. TravlFi recently sent me their new JourneyGo 5G hotspot to test out. And so far, this has been a very interesting solution. Opening it up, the whole package is super straightforward. You get the hotspot itself, the welcome guide, and a USB-C charging cable. The first thing that I noticed is just how compact it is. It's smaller than the average phone, so it's easy to stow away. The front touchscreen, it's a very thoughtful detail. It makes it really easy to see your connection status, your signal strength, the battery, data usage, and even the number of connected devices all on a single screen. Setup is practically instant. You just hold the power button to boot it up, scan the QR code on the screen with your phone, and choose a data plan. Now, what I like about the TravlFi approach is they offer flexible month-to-month data plans. And so there's no contracts, no hidden fees. And that's just perfect for how I travel. You only pay for the months you're actually out using the RV, and then you only pay for the data that you need. Now, you might be thinking, why use this instead of your cell phone as a hotspot, right? Well, the JourneyGo uses TowerSync technology, which means instead of being locked to one carrier like my phone, I've got multi-network coverage here. It delivers 5G speeds, and if 5G isn't available, it falls back to 4G LTE networks. Now, it doesn't magically produce cell reception everywhere, but it does provide reliable connectivity in areas that have cellular coverage. Plus, I find I get about 24 hours of battery life, and so I can easily unplug it and work outside without having to drag an extension cord. So I definitely recommend checking out the new TravlFi JourneyGo 5G hotspot. I'll be testing this more extensively, and I plan to release a more detailed review in the future. In the meantime, I'll include a link down below so you can check out the specs. If you have any questions on it, drop me a comment down below and I'd be glad to answer it.